Hey guys, welcome to Log Nips. Today I'll be showing you how to log into your HCSG employee account online on your computer. And now let's dive right in. Now to log into your HCSG employee account on your computer, first open up your preferred browser as I have already opened the Google Chrome, and on the search bar, click over there and type in the address hub.hcsgcorp .com like this and hit on enter. And guys, do make sure to type in the website properly, and after that you'll be redirected to the login page of HCSG employee account like this. And you'll be required to either enter your email and you'll be either required to enter your employee ID or your email address with which you had signed up for an account on HCSG group. With that being said, guys, after entering your employee ID or your email, simply click on login, and on the next step you'll be required to enter your password, and then you'll be able to sign into your account from over here. And then guys, this is how you log into your this is how you log into your HCSG employee account online on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more videos. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace.